Hello everyone, my name is Tiffany and I'm a registered holistic nutritionist and certified nutritional practitioner. I would love to share some of the wonderful benefits and ways that you can use elderberries from Gaia Garden Herbal Dispensary located on West Broadway here in Vancouver. Elderberries, Sambucus nigra, are a perennial shrub with many different species. Black elderberry is the most common of all of the species and is native to most of Europe and North America and is found here in southwestern BC. Elderberries were cultivated as early as 2000 BCE. They are packed with antioxidants, including vitamin A, C, and E, and are high in iron, magnesium, and vitamin B6. They are perfect to use during cold and flu season as they can help to boost our immune systems. Not only can they help in cold and flu prevention, but they can also help to support our immune systems if we do get sick, and also help to lessen and ease the symptoms associated with colds and flus. Elderberries help to tame inflammation, lessen stress, and help to protect the heart and blood vessels. Gaia Garden carries bulk dried elderberries. So the dried elderberries can be prepared as a delicious tea by adding 1 teaspoon of berries to 2 cups of water in a small pot over high heat. Allow the mixture to simmer until the water has been reduced by half for at least 20 minutes. It's important to note that the unripened fruit, uncooked fruit, seeds, stems, and roots contain a cyanide-inducing glycoside that is destroyed when cooked. So as long as we cook them, they're completely safe and beneficial. Another great way to prepare elderberries is to make an elderberry syrup, which can be taken on its own or used as an ingredient in salad dressings, added to soda water, and even added to make medicinal cocktails. So I encourage you to maybe try impressing your friends and family this holiday season by creating some vodka or gin elderberry cocktails. The deep, rich red-purple tones of elderberry are very beautiful and festive. Stay tuned for an immune-supportive elderberry syrup recipe using dried elderberries from Gaia Garden on their website. If you'd like to learn more about herbs, teas, supplements, and these beautiful elderberries, visit GaiaGarden.com where you'll find the product I highlighted in this video. I encourage you to get creative and have some fun using elderberries this fall and winter season. Thank you so much for watching this video. We'd love to hear from you. Please post any questions or comments below. We'll try to answer your questions in our upcoming video.